Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. The topic for today's lecture is social work as a profession, and we'll be dealing with the values part. What values are important for a social worker? We'll be looking into the values. So first, let's take a very brief idea that what are values. So values are beliefs of an individual. Okay, values are nothing but they are the beliefs. These beliefs shape the person's personality. They shape personality of an individual, and they also guide the behavior, guide the behavior of an individual. So these are the two basic, uh, basic nature of beliefs. They shape the personality of an individual, and they also guide the behavior of an individual. And values are why they are important. They are important because they help an individual to make decisions, and they also shape the identity of an individual. Identity. Therefore, the importance of value is that they help an individual, make some decisions in his life, and they also shape the identity of an individual. And values help person grow and develop. And every individual and also every organization is also when we talk about organization, when we talk about individuals in society, here and there everyone is involved in making a lot of decisions on daily basis. As an individual, we also make many decisions on our in our daily lives, and therefore the decision we make are also a reflection of our own values and beliefs. So when we talk about professional values, every profession is also guided by some basic values, and similarly social work is also guided by a set of values. But the values depend on the context also, and by context we say that values are based on some social settings. Like for example, the responsibility of taking care of elderly people, elderly our own parents, it is only a value which is of responsibility which is prevalent in Indian context. But when you look at Western societies, this concept of taking care of your elderly parents as a value of responsibility is not there. It is not that much prevalent. Parents in the Western societies are much more independent, and this is a kind of a very cultural difference which is there in Indian and Western societies. And therefore there is also a value of responsibility which is different, which has different meanings. So values do have different meanings that do depend on the context and also the cultural settings. But we can also conclude all this by saying that values, some values are there which are common. Some values are common across societies, and it is these values we will be looking into. Some values has to be common, and as a social worker there are some common values which are important to understand, and therefore we will look into the value today. We will also be completing the competencies part in this particular lecture only. Then we'll later talk about the code of ethics. So the topic for today's video is values and also competencies. So thus for today's lecture we will talk about integrity, and we'll also talk about competence as a value of social work. So when it comes to integrity, integrity is one of the basic, it is one of the basic values of human beings also, not just as a social worker. It is a basic value for human beings also. So integrity can simply be understood as a very constant, it can be understood as a constant reflection of oneself. It is a constant reflection. It is a constant reflection during every during every thought, during every conversation or an action of an individual. And when a person's words and their deeds, or you can say when the words and actions, or you can say deeds, match, when they both match with each other, then a person is called as a person with integrity, when his words matches his actions. So say I will give you an example that from Panchatantra stories, I will give you an example. You must have heard as a child also this story. So there was, a lion who was hungry, and when he hunted a cow, but before just before killing the cow, pleaded the lion to give the cow a last chance to see her calf. This was her last demand, that please let me see my child. I want to see my child and talk to him for the last time, and then I promise that I will come back to you and you can kill me.